Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I am in my kitchen cleaning it up, so I hope that this video motivates you to get into your kitchen and clean it up if that is needed. But also I'm going to be reorganizing my cabinets in here. I know that this is something that I've done more recently, but I have some exciting new pieces that are being added to my kitchen. More recently, my mom purchased some depression glass for me, and so I'm just excited to be using this every day. And I have some beautiful pieces that I thought that I would share with you. I got a question recently about sharing what kind of dinnerware I have, and so I'm going to be sharing everything that I have with you, where I purchased those items, but especially these beautiful pieces right here, which this is the American Sweetheart design. So if many of you are aware of what depression glass is, it's something that was made during the Great Depression, and a lot of it was given away for free or at little to no cost. So that's why it was so popular back then, but now it's becoming increasingly more valuable just because they had stopped producing it. So they have beautiful colors and so many different designs. And so it's really fun to go and search for the one that you are looking for. I know that they have it available online as well in different places. They sell it on Etsy, they sell it on eBay, you know, just different places, Mercari. But I have been going into the antique shops with my mom, and we have been searching for that. So it's just fun, something to look for, and then something beautiful to set my table with. The main thing to me is that I get something that I know that I will be using, and that is just beautiful to set my table with. I enjoy entertaining, and not only that, but just making dinners for my family and also using beautiful dinnerware every single day. And that's something that I would love to encourage you to do, especially within this video. Get out those pieces that you love and that you feel are beautiful and set your table with them. And not only that, but make them to where they are available for you to use. So that's what I'm doing today. I am reorganizing my cabinets so that all of these pieces are accessible and easy for me to use every day. I just want to take a moment to thank all of you for being here. If you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing, and I would love for you to say hello in the comments section. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you for being one of the first to click on this video. And for all of my patrons, thank you for supporting this channel. So without further ado, let's get to organizing this kitchen. The first cabinet that I'm going to be sharing the contents of will be this one right here. The tiered trays, I have one from Pampered Chef, and then the others, I am not sure. I think I got that at Ross. And then also these plates right here are from IKEA, and I've shared this before. And then this tea set up here, that is from a friend of mine, and this is my grandmother's teacup right there. And then these are the dishes that my mom just recently purchased for me. And then my main white dishes, or they're actually like a cream color, they are by the Pioneer Woman, and I found those at Walmart, which I've linked them in past videos when I first got them, but they are just a favorite of mine. And if you haven't seen exactly what it looks like, this is, I like the detailing on it, the beading, and then just the shape of the plate itself. And it actually is very similar to the way that this is shaped, which I think is really neat. So I can see why I was drawn to these American Sweetheart dishes, because they are very similar to just what I love in a dish. I love that it's not just round. I like detail in my dishes. The salad plates are definitely my favorite just because they have that added detail on them. And I typically use these for all of my desserts just because I have a lot of them and it's just easier that way. And then I can have beautiful dishes to serve dessert on. And here is my dessert cabinet slash coffee cups and teacups and all the serving bowls as well as just regular bowls. So down here I have the everyday bowls that the kids usually reach for these ones. I've been using my depression glass ones, and then I also have the Pioneer Woman ones that went with the set. These are also from IKEA, and then those were the American Sweetheart depression glass. And the same with this. This is a serving bowl, and then this is from this I actually got before I found the Pioneer Woman set, and I found these at Kohl's. So they are by Food Network, and I have two big bowls which are right here. I have one right here and it matches that. I like to use a bowl or a pot to wash my dishes in just because it saves water, and I think it's a lot nicer than having a plastic tub or something like that in the sink. So it's easily washable, and then if I need it, I could just wash it. But typically I like to wash my dishes in something. This right here was from our realtor who sold us our first home. So that definitely has sentimental value. I was using that for fruit before I got this stand right here, but I like the separation of that fruit stand. And then the Grace's teaware, this set came from Home Goods, and those white ones came from Home Goods as well as the pink one, and then this green one right here, that was actually the teacup of my friend's mother. So she was getting rid of some of her things when she moved, and I got to pick out different things. Now that butter dish up there is one of my favorites, and that is something that we got when I got the depression glass. And then the bowls up there, you can't really see them, I'm trying to show without having to stand up on anything, but those up there right behind the butter dish are actually sherbet bowls, and I just think they're the cutest little dessert bowls. And then up on top I have those dessert bowls which my great aunt gave me 2 Christmases or 3 Christmases ago, and then those ones came from a friend, little Sunday dishes. I think they're cute. Now this hasn't changed much, and I did not step up there to fix that right there. I found that from, where was it? We were at a swap meet, and when I was buying a lot of glass, I saw that, and the depression glass, I forgot which kind that was. And then these Anchor Hawking dishes, I've shared these on my channel before, but they really caught my eye because they looked like depression glass, and the color is very similar. It's a little off. I feel that there's a little bit more peach inside of the original depression glass, and this is more rose tinted. And then I have my regular Pyrex dishes right here, which I like to store food in instead of plastic containers. And then I also have, you know, my measuring cups and my mixing bowls and all of that. It's just stuff that I've had for a while. And then this also went with that bowl that you saw that I'm using to wash dishes with. That is also from Food Network. Underneath this cabinet right here, I have our coffee cups, which I just got these from Home Goods, and they are great when we have company, but for the most part I like to use teacups. Last but not least, this is where I like to keep all of our stemware, as well as just the cups that I got these ones from IKEA, as well as the other clear glasses up there. Get out those beautiful dishes. That way your life can be more elegant and you can be enjoying the beauty all around you. Until next time, I hope that you all take care and have a beautiful day. Bye, everyone.